Hi everyone, my name's Rob. I'm the sales manager here at AUV Porsche and Prestige. We have something special to show you today, a real standout from the crowd Range Rover Sport HSE with £10,000 worth of body styling kit. This car is an April 2016 16 reg, covered 26,500 miles. It's one owner from new, last serviced at Land Rover April this year. It's got a top speed of 130 miles an hour, 306 brake horsepower and is 0 to 60 in around 7 seconds. The exterior paint finish on the car is Odyssey Red Metallic. It looks absolutely stunning in the flesh and works extremely well with the high gloss black air intake grills there, the high gloss black door mirrors, the tinted glass, the black fixed panoramic roof and rear spoiler. Fantastic combination. Now the rear end of this car is what really makes it for me, with those big twin double exhaust pipes, the high gloss trim there across the middle, the tinted glass, the extended body kit. It just really beefs the car up and just shouts, "Do not mess with me." Again, something else that enhances the entire look of the car are these big 22-inch Riviera 10-spoke alloy wheels. They're finished in satin black and they've got really nice subtle silver stripes through the centre there. They're in absolutely pristine condition. Red calipers really make this car look great. As you can see there, the door handles are colour coded to the body with keyless entry, the high gloss power folding door mirrors, the high gloss side air intake and bonnet grills, all in fantastic condition. Again, a wonderful contrast against the car. There you've got the bigger red calipers on the front wheels, again in superb condition. The car has the Xenon headlights with heated washer jets. You've got front and rear parking sensors, and then high gloss grille, and then carbon Overfinch badges which really set the car off. Inside the car it has the black perforated Oxford leather. It still smells very new, it's very tight and isn't worn. Up above we have this huge fixed panoramic glass sunroof. It allows lots of light into the car, makes the cabin feel really big and spacious. Got the extended leather to the door cards there as well. Same on the driver's door. Got the memory function there for the driver's seats. The driver and passenger seats are electric, heated with memory function. Got leather centre armrest there as well. Leather steering wheel, it's multifunction. And extended leather to the dashboard. Aluminium trim there. The interior finish is a mix of Vaneer Grand High Gloss Black with brushed aluminium. Makes the interior of the car look really classy. Really nice finish. So let me just show you one final look around the car. It really is in superb condition, as I say, and looks absolutely stunning with all the different contrasting features. If you'd like any more information on the car, please don't hesitate to contact me at the showroom. Alternatively, we have a live chat on our website and a very accurate finance calculator for PCP and HP quotations. We're also very pleased to say we're now partnered with WarrantyWise, one of the UK's leading warranty specialists. They can offer fantastic extended cover on 1 and 2 year policies. So again, thank you for taking the time to see the video. We look forward to hearing from you and taking your questions. Many thanks and bye for now.